Hi guys, welcome back to UChat tutorial. Today we are talking about Facebook OTN, one-time notification. And to begin with, there are a couple of things to explain. Number one, OTN is a Facebook feature. It allows you to send message to user over 24 hours after the last interaction. So we've introduced about sequence and brokers to send delay message and how to choose content types in previous tutorial. If you are still confused about the relationship differences, I will make another video tutorial, UChat tutorial 50 to introduce more about that. But today we are focusing on just OTN. Okay, number two. The whole process contains 3 steps: request, allow, and then notify. I will show you an example from Facebook. So this is a very typical usage of OTN. Firstly, the user requests a product. Unfortunately, the item isn't in stock, so the bot sends this OTN request. This is an OTN request asking for permission to send OTN. And once user click notify me, accept the request, then Facebook will send a token to your bot. So later in the future, your bot can send an OTN message with the token. Okay, number 3. When it comes to limitations, according to Facebook's rules, there's no time limitation. You can send it like 1 week, 2 week, 1 month, 2 months later, doesn't matter. And for message type, you can send text, an image, video, document, anything. However, for one token, you can send only once, and the notification can contain only one message. Well, you might ask, what if the users are just requesting like 3 products? Actually, multiple OTNs are allowed, but you will need to send like 3 requests for each product, and the user need to accept 3 times separately. Therefore, you get 3 tokens to send 3 notifications. Also, one important thing to mention is that don't send too much requests within a short time, because if you get detected by Facebook for misusing the feature, they might stop you from using it anymore. Perfect. Now let's have a look at how to use OTN in UChat. So the first thing to do is activate the feature in your Facebook page. So in your Facebook page, look at the left, go settings, and then advanced messaging. Scroll down. Here, request for the one-time notification. Confirm. And then the second things, come back to UChat, and in content from your left sidebar, click it, and then OTN topics. Let's create a new topic. Back in stock notification, add. And then inner flow, edit. So now I'm showing a product to user, so when they click buy, check the stock, and if it is not in stock, so let me send a one-time notification request. Okay, here, one-time notification, send a request. Choose the topic and enter something. Okay, so this button, the title is fixed, you can change it, notify me. And when user click notify me, show some prompt, like no problem, will let you know when it is back in stock. So publish and go another subflow item back in stock. So in this one, after the product gets back in stock, you can then send a notification from here, one-time notification, send OTN message, pick the topic, and anything following this one will be the notification. So let's send, say, a card. Image, library. So buy now. Okay, and quick reply if needed, anything. And after click this button, go to a action to buy, edit to cart. Okay. That's enough for now. Okay, so let's test it. Open. Okay, I send a message and the bot sent me the main flow. That's the product, and I click buy. Oh, so here's the request. The be notified and this description are generated automatically by the system, and this is what we put in the title. Be notified when it is back in stock, and I click notify me. Okay, so no problem, we will let you know later. And when the product is back in stock, go live chat. So let's manually send the notification. You can also send it automatically by the bot. We will explain that in later tutorials to show you how to. So today let's manually send back in stock, send a subflow. Okay, also I already get a message telling me that okay, the high heel is back in stock and I can buy now. Okay, so back to UChat. Like without a token, if you send something like here and you type it, send it, you after refresh it, you might think of you successfully send it because it's showing a conversation, but actually when you go to tools and error logs, you will see an error showing here saying that failed to send the message because the conversation expired. Okay, yeah, that's all about OTN. And this is the documentation from Facebook. I will share this link in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question, comment below, and see you next time.